Don't shoot that close, man. Don't shoot that close. He's tagged in, but that guy still has, you still got to escort him in. No, you don't, no, stay in there. Just keep fighting. Just keep fighting. That's what you want to do. He's out. Let him out. In other words, they got to take you over there, man. They got to escort you by your hand, basically. You can't just go out there because somebody's going to kill you. Now just hit the blue and you're in. There's two of them on there. Check out, look on the screen. You see it? Yes. That sounds good, I guess. Let's see how, I want to prolong the game. I want to see see if it works. Just guide him. Just guide him by your hand. You got to lead him. You got to cover him. What? He's hit? go everywhere. Huh? Oh. Where you at? All right.
Hey, he's coming again. He's coming again. One guy.
Go tag him in. You're right there. Just go get the bomb. Yeah, if you get hit, then you gotta go back. Let's do that. You can go run and get it. Just go run and get it.
You gotta lead me.
I know. That's why I make the game so simple. Go shoot this guy.
Well, you see, what I could do is I could take this off and then just pick a team and then say, here, come here.
Huh. Hi. Now someone else has to get you.
Hey, Marno, don't you get him? Huh?
Get him and escort me to my car and blow my car. You gotta blow. No, go back.
Where are they going?
Ah.
Hey, save it. Save it.
Do they really go?
No, you gotta blow up this one. This way.
Wrong.
They're about to blow up the...
I know, they're gonna blow up the boat.
If they did that, does that mean they win?
Uh-huh.
This one, right?
Oh.
This boat, that's...
That car.
That car.
Car.
Yeah, watch out. Just...
Hey, you went the wrong way.
Because
I'm just
we're
making
right
sure
in the
people
line
are-
of fire.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I'm just trying to make sure people are calling their hits.
Yeah.
Check everybody.
Everybody's pretty much doing it.
Yeah.
I don't see any
Now
problems.
they are, yeah.
That's all it is. It's just coverage. You just go over there, you know, because if they have that awareness, it's like, oh, maybe this guy will, you know, because you never know who's gonna do it.
Yeah.
But somebody always does.
Holy shit. Hey, somebody's lopping their shots. I saw BB just go like this.
Yeah, don't worry about it. That's why I go over there and see who it is.
It looked like it was coming from over here.
Oh.
The car.
My car, go blow up my car.
How you doing up there, baby?
Go to my black car.
Apparently I haven't got hit once.
Nah, you won't get hit up there. I've actually got hit up there. A few times, actually.
Was that because you're drinking that, though?
No, just, I don't know. Someone always says it. Cheap shot. Got 2 minutes! 2 minutes! 2 minutes!
I see 3 possible routes they can take already.
All they gotta do is rush it. Nah, that's a good, but it's suicide for most people.
They got people on this side that could...
Yeah, let's get over it. This is a good. I don't want to give it away. I don't want to give their position away. I mean, they're good. A good angle. Just because we're in the way.
Hit. Hit. Oh, fuck, hit. Hit.
Jesus Christ.
Dead men don't talk. We'll just put you invincible.
Yeah?
Yeah. But you really want them to tactically move you out.
Yeah.
That's lots of action though. Lots of action. Them men don't talk. Just get out of the way just for a little bit. You know, you could actually come by me or something. That's good. Hey! Push the horn. Use the horn. Oh, I got, okay.